Welcome back to our quick classes with myself, James, here at NED Training Centre. And today I want to talk about one specific verb. And I see this a lot with my students, that they kind of get confused with the verb and how to use it. So, I have two sentences here, and one of them is correct, one of them is incorrect. So I want you to see if you can figure out which one is correct, which is incorrect. You have 5 seconds, so it's like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This one is correct, this one is incorrect. And the reason why that is, in English we can only know specific places. So if I say I know Amsterdam, it's incorrect, but I can say I know there we go. We can use it for a specific shop or a specific location in the place. But we don't know cities or countries in English. We know people, specific people. I know him, I know her, I know them, or I know a shop in Amsterdam, and that's fine. But what do we say when we want to talk about being familiar with a country or city? What we say instead is we do this. We always have to say, like, I visited Amsterdam, or I've been to Amsterdam. Or another verb like, say, I travelled to Amsterdam, something like that. But what we're saying is, if we want to talk about the experience of being somewhere, we can't say no. We never know a city, we never know a country, we only know people and specific places. And the same thing applies to when we're talking about certain food. If someone ever says to you, do you know sushi? No, you don't know sushi. We would say, have you tried sushi? So what we're doing here is we're using the verb try to talk about an experience. So this is the thing, guys. We want to know about experiences in English, so we have to use the verb try. If we want to know about knowledge of people, we use know. For specific places, we can use know. And if we're talking about experiences of going to a place, we use a verb like visited or travelled, and also the verb been. So I have been to Amsterdam. Just a little thing that I've noticed a lot of students, and I hope that you find it useful and you can correct yourself with this lesson. And that'll be it for today, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.